Hey everybody, welcome back to Coffee Sometimes Tea with Jen and Marcello. Continuing on our series, guys, of what? What are we talking about?
We're talking about credit and finance and how important it is for you to maintain it.
While using ChatGPT4.
ChatGPT4. So what we're doing is we're kind of incorporating the understanding of credit. What is it? Why it matters? The overview, credit scores, and credit reports. We're going to ask ChatGPT to kind of spell it out for us here. And I kind of have the prompt, just basics here. It's not a perfect prompt, but I'm trying to experiment for you so you can see why prompts matter. And you know, you want to understand credit, you really need to know what it's all about. So we're going to say, I'm going to put in here, because I need to put a little bit more substance in here. Please, oops. We don't want to yell. Please create, or please, do you want it to define the following?
Yes.
Okay, please act as a finance and credit expert and explain. Shift enter. Hey, shift enter, by the way, I didn't know this, but if you just hit enter, it'll just throw it up there. But if you hit shift enter, it takes you down into a next paragraph or next line. Physics. Why can't I spell?
A-I-N.
A-I-N. I thought I did. And explain the following.
Okay, go for it.
For an young-minded.
Sure. Do a 5-year-old.
No, young.
You can. It'll do it.
Minded
It'll be
audience. Well, let's see. You know, I'm trying to keep it simple, but you never know. Audience. Oh my God, I can't spell. Spell check.
You're good. D-A-N-C.
There you go. And semicolon. And let's see what happens. All right, for all you prompt makers, I know you're probably yelling at me right now, but here we go.
We're going to pause really quick and let it do its thing and come right back.
Nope.
You're not going to pause? You're just let it roll?
Yep.
Okay. It's going to be taking a while. Hang on. We're going to roll with this, I guess. Usually we just
We're going to roll with this. I'm actually going to start at the top. And I want to show you the difference. Understanding credit. Okay, ChatGPT, what do you say about understanding credit?
A new video game or skateboard. That's, yeah. So you're talking.
There you go. It's a little way too young, but it gives you a good idea of it. Okay, you want to buy something and you don't have the money, so you ask a friend of money to lend it to you. You promise you'll pay them back later. If you know your friend's good for it, they'll give it to you. But if not, then they might not give it to you. Same concept. You know, you borrow money or have the ability to buy something now and agree to pay it back later. That's credit. Your score.
Come closer. You're getting cut out. There you go. You're half a face over there. Get back in here.
Fancy. All right. Anyway, sorry. So basically, your credit is your score. So if you're good for it, you pay your payments on time. You're not late. You don't have any collections.
Yep.
Of course, but it's important to know. Yep. You know, they're not going to want to give you or borrow or even get credit cards.
So it tells you right there, if you grow older and you want to buy bigger, better things, it's going to, having good credit's going to make it cheaper for you. So
here's the overview of credit scores and credit reports.
There you go.
Your score is calculated based on several things. Your payment history, how much you owe, the length of your credit history, and the types of credit in use. So mixed credits are like your student loans, your credit cards, mortgages, car payments, things like that. And there is a healthy mixed use, which we'll be going further into depth on that later on. Why it all matters. Why does it matter?
Well, like it says right there, having good credit is crucial. It's crucial for your life. It's crucial for the end game, the beginning, middle, and end game. You're looking to buy a place, like we discussed before. Without good credit, your employers are going to look into it. You're not going to get that job you want. The landlord of the place you're trying to rent they're going to give you probably a denial and send you over to the crappy side of town. You know, your insurance company, that's huge, guys. You didn't even think about it.
Yeah,
so
I didn't even talk about insurance.
So
car
your
insurance matters. You got to get a car, and you go into the dealership and you go through their financing, and next thing you know, you've got 10 inquiries, 20 inquiries on your credit report, and it's like, what just happened? Then they'll tell you, oh, don't worry about it. It'll come off eventually. It doesn't just eventually come off.
You guys want to show that you're being responsible with the money. Your money that you're borrowing, you want to show that you are responsible and being able to pay that back.
Stay on time. You know, it is important. So just a fast recap, you know your scores, know what the what's, the who's, the whys, and
that this right here is huge, guys. Where your score is based on these several things. You guys want to take this down? I would take a snapshot of this right here.
Absolutely.
This is huge. Now, in our school, you guys can click down below. We have a free community about this. We want you to. Oh, there you go. Yeah, highlight it.
I'm gonna highlight it.
What we want you to do is you join us in our school. Okay, it's a free school. It's our community. It's not we're not going to charge you guys anything. So you guys come learn more, where we'll go deeper into each of these and what it means. So,
and don't forget to like and make comments below, in the sense of ask us questions.
What do you guys want to know?
What do you want to hear? What do you want to learn? What do you want to know? And some of the things that you ask, we will be more than happy to answer. And some of those questions may be answered in the school, so you want to make sure you join. Again, it's free. I mean, we'd love to see you there.
That link down there.
And follow us. And again, start learning. And we're going to be doing these in segments. So this is going to be a series coming up. So this is the first part. Again, we'll go to the top. Understanding credit and the overview of credit scores, credit reports. Okay. And then why it all matters. This is segment 1. And again, we're just going to do fast recap. And I am going to say it again. And yes, it is being broken record, but we're doing this because these 3 agencies right here, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, they can either make or break your life. So it is that important. And we hope that you'll continue to follow us, like us, and we'll hope to see you again. So here's cheers to you, and we hope to see you again soon here at
Coffee Sometimes Tea.